The rugby game by a disgruntled worker, a satire, part 3. John Dominion is a man of great power and authority in the company, and he sees himself as having dominion over Alfie good conduct. For 8 hours a day, John rules over Alfie's life with an iron fist. He sees Alfie as nothing more than a lowly follower, and he relishes in his power over him. John is also a big fan of the Dominion game, a card game where players compete to build the most successful kingdom. He often boasts about his skills at the game and uses it as a way to assert his dominance over others. He even has a favorite joke about it. Why does a chicken join the Dominion of Canada? Because it wants to rule the roost. John finds it hilarious, but his colleagues often find it cringeworthy. Despite his self-proclaimed authority, John's judgment is often clouded by his own biases and prejudices. He believes he's always right, even when he's wrong, and refuses to listen to anyone who challenges his views. For him, everything is black and white, and there is no room for nuance or compromise. John Dominion's delusions of grandeur and self-righteousness make him a prime target for satire. His obsession with the Dominion game and his disregard for anyone else's opinion provides ample material for a humorous takedown of his flawed worldview. Alfie appreciates the following joke. Why does the union worker cross the road? To get to the picket line, of course.